people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Riya Datta and you're watching Simply Care Riya. So today I have created this makeup look with the Jaclyn Hill palette Morphe. So this is the first time that I have used this palette and pretty much I have liked it. So yes, if you want to know how I have created this look and the experience with this palette, then please keep watching. And if you still have not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly begin. Okay, so I have already moisturized my face. So for primer, I'm going to use this Insight Makeup Essential Primer in 3-in-1. It actually increases the longevity of your makeup. It gives 24 hours of lasting with satin finish. It basically primes, protects and moisturizes your skin. It is also oil free and it gives you a matte finish makeup look. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 40 Caramel. Basically, I use this concealer before applying any foundation to hide my dark circle area and the black spots. So I'm just going to apply it on those areas where I feel it needs to be hidden before applying any foundation. So I'm using a beauty blender and I'm going to dab it and blend it properly. And this concealer is very lightweight and even after applying it is not cakey at all and it blends nicely. For foundation, I'm using my all-time favorite Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 312 Golden. So I'm using very less amount of it and applying it all over my face and also in the neck area. And then using the same beauty blender and just dabbing it and blending it properly. Again, it's a very nice foundation for oily skin people and it gives you a full coverage with a very nice matte finish look. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 35 Deep. This is to highlight my under eye area and also the T-zone area. So I'm using the same beauty blender and just going to blend it nicely. Also, I'm going to apply the same concealer on my eyelids so that whenever I'm going to apply eyeshadow, it is going to blend properly. To set my base, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade Pure Beige. Usually I don't really bake my face because for me it doesn't crease, so I prefer to use a compact all over my face. If you feel that after applying any concealer your under eye area is a little creasy, so you can definitely go and bake it. But for me, just applying a compact all over my face, it usually works. So yeah. So before filling the eyebrows, I'm just going to comb my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna roughly comb it. For eyebrows, I have taken the Maybelline New York the Nudes eyeshadow palette. So I have taken this angular brush and going to take the darkest brown color and just going to draw it according to my eyebrows shape. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and I'm going to use this lightest shade, which is the beige shade, and with the help of a blending brush and removing the excess, I am going to apply it above my crease area. So very light-handedly I am applying it above my crease portion. Next, I'm gonna take a little deeper shade from the last one and gonna use the same blending brush and going to apply it above my crease portion just to create a depth. Again, very light-handedly. Next, I'm taking this beautiful red shade, and with the help of a pencil brush, I am going to apply it above my crease area just to give a warm base. And with the blending brush, I am going to blend all the 3 eyeshadows that I have applied. Next, I'm taking this brown shade and I'm going to apply it on my outer V, and I'm going to apply it on a circular motion and just pushing the eyeshadow inwards. Again, next I'm going to take this black shade and placing it on my outer V, a very little amount, and again in a circular motion I'm just pushing the eyeshadow inwards. To cut the crease, I am using this Pond's BB cream in the shade medium. So with the help of a flat brush, I am going to apply it on my crease area. So I am drawing this crease because I'm going to use a little glittered eyeshadow. So if you want to apply a concealer in place of BB cream, you can use it. Next, to set the crease area, I'm going to apply a little compact on it. Next, I'm going to apply this green eyeshadow, and before applying it, I'm going to use a makeup fixer from Faces Canada, and I'm going to spray a little amount on the flat brush. And then after taking the eyeshadow, I am going to apply it all over my crease area. So I'm not sure if it is actually reflecting on the camera, but it is pigmented enough. Maybe it's not reflecting on the camera because I'm not using any ring light over here. It's just my normal house lights. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the eyeshadow palette. Next, I'm going to apply this sky blue shade, and with the help of same flat brush but from the opposite side, I'm going to apply it on my inner crease portion. And then with the help of a blending brush, I am going to blend it nicely so that there is no harsh line. Next, I'm taking this sky blue shade and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line with the help of a pencil brush. And then again, I'm taking this darkest brown shade and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line just to give a smoky look. Next, I'm taking this glittered shade and I'm going to apply it on my inner corners and also on my brow bones. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal Kajal and I'm going to use it as my liner and I'm going to draw a very thin liner. Also, I'm going to apply it on my waterline. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Sensational Mascara. I just love all the mascaras from Maybelline because it gives so much of volume. So I'm going to apply the mascaras both the sides, and I'm going to apply false eyelashes off camera. For contouring, I'm using the brown shade, and with the help of a brush, I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones area. Also, I'm going to contour my nose with the same shade. For blush, I'm taking Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and with the help of a soft brush, I'm going to apply it on my cheeks and nose. It's a beautiful blush. I mean, it gives you a nice glow immediately. For lips, I'm gonna use Matte Me liquid lipstick in the shade 415. It's in the pink shade and I really like this shade. Also, I like to combine two lipsticks at a time, so I'm gonna use this Nykaa lipstick in the shade Top Thrill. It's a nude lipstick and I'm gonna mix these two and gonna apply it on my lips. So for highlight, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. So I'm gonna apply it on my cheekbones. So pretty. I just love using highlighter. This is the favorite part of my makeup. So I'm gonna apply some on the T-zone area. So this is the final result and I'm totally enjoying my look. And if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and also comment down below about your experience with this palette. And till then, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.